जय श्री कृष्ण। स्टार्ट करते हैं काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव पार्ट 2। डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव, जैसे ये वर्ड खुद ही बताता है डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव। डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव मतलब हुआ दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज। ओके, अब दिस बैग, दैट बैग, these bags, those bags। ओके, सो जब हम किसी चीज को प्लूरल में बोल रहे होते हैं तो वो वहां पे हम these और those लगाते हैं, अदरवाइज दिस दैट। तो हमारा जो बेसिक वर्ड होता है डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव का, और जब हम किसी नाउन या नेमिंग थिंग या प्रोनाउन को जब हम कर रहे होते हैं तो उसमें हम उसको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं। अब इसमें हम क्वेश्चन जो लगाते हैं दैट इज विच। द क्वेश्चन दैट वी आंसर, विच बैग आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस बैग, सो दिस इज कमिंग एज द आंसर। सो जब हमारा आंसर विच को क्वेश्चन को आंसर कर रहा होता है तो हमें जो आंसर मिलता है वो होता है डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव। ओके, अब आते हैं हम इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव पे। डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया। अब आते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव। द वर्ड इंट्रोगेटिव इटसेल्फ मीन्स इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव। Interrogative means when you are asking a question. Already you are asking a question. Which bag are you talking about? So यहाँ पे जो which लगाया है हमने, this is interrogative adjective because ये which bag वो directly relate कर रहा है। Which whose book is this? So when we have these WH words and how, so it is defining bag and book, that is a noun. And when we define any noun with a WH word, that comes to an interrogative adjective. And question mark is a must when we are talking about interrogative adjective. Now we will move on to the exercise which tells us we have to recognize. We have done, हम लोगों ने adjectives तो कर लिए। I'll just give a repeat. Quality, quantity, number. Number itself has three kinds: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjective. Then we have demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. और जब तक हम उसको we will not be able to recognize it, there is no use of going with the classes of that. So a few sentences and the problem will be solved. But when I am sorting down with the sentences, you will have the question of that adjective in your mind. Okay, so I start writing. Some boys are clever. Okay, now the second sentence that I will take is, she is an honest woman. He has little intelligence. As there is a compulsion with a question mark for interrogative sentences, for normal sentences we should put a full stop. That is a compulsion. वो एक compulsion है, we should put a full stop. And each boy must take the ID card. These mangoes are sad. Whose bag do you have? Now, in this question, some boys are clever. How many boys are clever? How many? अब how many जैसे ही आता है वो न्यूमरल पे आता है, तो हमें ये कौन सा मिल गया? ये न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव मिल गया. अब न्यूमरल की 3 कैटेगरी में क्या ये डेफिनेट है? नहीं है, तो ये इनडेफिनेट में आ गया हमारा. सो डायरेक्टली वी विल कम. शी इज एन ऑनेस्ट वुमन. शी इज एन ऑनेस्ट वुमन. She is an honest woman. What kind she is the woman? Of what kind woman she is? So she is an honest woman. We are talking about the quality. We are talking about the quality of the woman. He has little intelligence. He has little intelligence. How much intelligence does he have? तो हमने जैसे ही how much बोला, तो we are talking about the numeral. न्यूमरल की बात कर रहे हैं, न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव की बात कर रहे हैं, तो अब क्या ये डेफिनेट है? नहीं है. सो ये आगे हमारा इनडेफिनेट. ओके. ईच बॉय मस्ट टेक द ID कार्ड. हाउ मेनी बॉयज शुड टेक द ID कार्ड? हाउ मेनी? सो द आंसर इज कमिंग ईच. हाउ मेनी? से वी नो दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव. एंड इज दिस डेफिनेट? नो. Is this indefinite? Yes, somewhere, but it is distributive. It is coming distributive numeral adjective. Now, these mangoes are sour. Which mangoes are sour? When we are talking about which, we are talking about demonstrative. So, and demonstrative, it's a bit easy also, because this, that, these, those, as जैसे ही देखा, और वो जहाँ पे डिफाइन कर रहा है वहाँ पे हम उसको एडजेक्टिव में जैसे मैंगोज, हमने ये तो नाउन पे जानना तो आता है, ये नाउन को डिफाइन कर रहा है, और दिस तो वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव हो गया. तो ये हो गया डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. whose bag do you have? अब यहाँ पे बैग है, ये हमने नाउन को ट्रेस कर लिया. एंड whose is already the WH word and interrogative adjective, so we will have the interrogative adjective. So basically we are talking about that adjective recognition through the question part is something which we should know according to the question. So अब adjective conversions भी थोड़े से देख लेते हैं. Boy, boyish, fool, foolish. So these are, we are talking about the adjectives. Now hope, hopeful, shame, shameless, gift, gifted, man, manly. So these are very common adjective conversations, conversions, transformations which we are talking about. Laugh, laughable, whole. There are many, and we should know that हमारे जो daily conversations और comprehensions होते हैं उसमें we have to use these adjectives, and कई बार फिर हम ये recognize नहीं कर पाते हैं कि ये actually which part of speech are we talking about if we don't know the conversions. Okay. ये तो अभी just which we were talking. I will talk more on noun to adjective, like silk, silken, wool, woolen, gold, golden, glory, glorious, king, kingly. So these were from noun to adjective. Now we will have some from verb to adjective. Verb to adjective. Okay. So like tired, tireless, talk, talkative, seize, sealess, move, movable. When we know these words, so एक recognition, if it is coming in a sentence, वो recognition हमें काफी हद तक मिल जाता है. So we'll move on to one more category which forms from adjective to adjective. वो भी conversion होता है. अब जैसे ish लगा दिया, boyish, foolish, dirt, this will be from adjective to adjective. Noun to adjective. Dirt, dirty, storm, stormy, play, playful. All these will convert from noun. And then I've told you these many from a verb. Now we will have from adjective to adjective. This is from adjective to adjective. Tragic. अब tragic है, tragical. Threefold. Sick, sickly, black, blackish, so when we talk about anything, we should go into the depth of it, and now I think I've justified to a great level कि adjective recognition समझ में आ जाए, whether it is transformed or not. राधे राधे.